Welcome to eWay-CRM tutorial videos. I'm Eve, your virtual consultant, and I want to show you how to create a company in eWay-CRM. I'll use eWay-CRM online, but what I'm about to show you is pretty much identical to eWay-CRM desktop. Let's begin. eWay-CRM has a module called Companies, which is designed for keeping track of the organizations you work with and sharing them with your team. It's closely related to the module Contacts, which contains the individual employees from within these organizations. By keeping contacts linked with their companies, eWay-CRM automatically puts all their activities under one roof, which is very helpful. If you open a company, you will see all emails, journals, tasks, and documents that all your employees added to any contact. Companies are like the tip of a pyramid where everything converges. There are many ways to create a company. If you are in eWay-CRM, one of the simplest options is to click New Item and select Company. A dialog opens asking you to fill in the name, address, and other fields and press Save. That's it. If you want to add a brand new contact that is not in eWay-CRM yet, click Add New and select Contact. Again, fill in all the important fields and save and close. If I click on the tab Contacts, I'll find her there. Here you are, Selma. If you already have an existing contact in your eWay-CRM, click Link to Existing and select Contact. Find your person and confirm. Here we are. My company now has 2 contacts. Simple. Let me show you another way how to create a company. Imagine that you've just received an email from a new person and you want to convert him into a contact. I'm in the Web Outlook with eWay-CRM Preview panel. I will convert to contact, which creates a new contact in eWay-CRM along with their company. Done. Let me open it to check the company. This plus sign tells me that the company was not found and I can create it. To be sure, I can start typing to activate the search. No luck, so I'll create it. Again, fill in all important fields and save it. Here we go. Let me quickly create a new journal just to show you how the hierarchy works. Add New Journal. Type down my notes from a hypothetical call. Notice that the company is already filled in. If I click Save and open it, I'll find the journal there. It works the same for emails, tasks, documents, and other modules. Let's move 1 week forward in time when my team has added more activities. Much better. Notice the long history of communications with multiple contacts. This one was with Daniel. This is an email from Jane. They communicated with various people from my team. I can quickly find out what was discussed before I pick up my phone. Easy. Remember that this video is a quick introduction to creating companies. To find out more about how to bulk import them from Excel, customize the look of the company form, or set up a workflow, check other tutorial videos. We've included some links in this video's description. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.